Good afternoon, friends. So, this is my SSD card, SanDisk. So, I am going to use this. This is my new card. Let's use it and let's see what I will find on the screen. So, I'm going to connect it. And what I see here, okay. So, I see these two files: install security of Mac Jeep, install security of Windows file. So let's install this file, this one. So it is asking me, um, I have read agree. Okay, I read agree. We accept this, and we install this file. This is asking to get the permission. Okay, we give the permission. Now what is okay? This file is now it is install file. Now we have to open the desktop. Here I can see this file, SanDisk. We have to click on this file. On clicking, you will see this file. And here you can write your password, verify password, password hint, and you can set your password. Very easy. So after this setting, whenever you connect your disk to your computer, it will ask you to put your password, and then you can open SanDisk, this external disk, then you can open it. So very easy.